The tight end position has become one of the marquee offensive spots in the National Football League. Offensive coordinators are searching for basketball-type athletes with the size and movement skills to create matchup problems in the passing game. Notre Dame's Tyler Eifert certainly fills the bill with his imposing frame and exceptional receiving skills. At 6'6", 251 pounds, Eifert dwarfs safeties on the perimeter while possessing enough speed to run past linebackers on vertical routes. The 2012 second-team All-American finished his career with 140 receptions and over 1,800 yards. Most impressively, he captured the John Mackey Award as the most outstanding tight end in college football. My pro comparison for Eifert is Packers tight end Jermichael Finley. Although their physical dimensions are slightly different, I believe their games are similar on the field. Finley has been a dominant force for the Packers after entering the NFL as a third-round pick out of Texas in 2008. He notched only one start as a rookie, but has amassed 55-plus catches in 3 of the last 4 seasons and developed into one of the top tight ends in the NFL. With several teams in need of a big-bodied playmaker over the middle of the field, Eifert will certainly draw a lot of interest from creative offensive coordinators on draft day.